Hi, my name is Gottschlich from Germany, Cologne, and this is the restaurant Ochs und Klee. We have here Hannes Radeck, our pastry chef.
Hello.
This is the dish he created, and it's called Nasturtium. So he made a mousse of caramelized chocolate. Then we have a gel made of blueberry. Putting pickled blueberries on top. There is a little side dish with this dish, coming with this dish. It's a little waffle. It's like a waffle dough made with buckwheat. And this is the salty Bavarian cream. So, top layer. Now he puts a powder on it with umeboshi and dried umeboshi and dried blueberry as a powder. So the next one is a little vinaigrette made of orange blossom and nasturtium oil. So this is also one of the interesting part of the dish. Hannes created a nasturtium sorbet. So this is puffed buckwheat on top of the sorbet. This is fresh nasturtium. Enjoy!